Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. Happy Sunday. Good to see you again. It is about 6:45 and we have already been up and running. The girls have had their hot tea, had their juice. Sarah is currently picking out the girls' clothes for the week, and I am doing the grocery list for the next 2 weeks. So here we got some coffee, we got the notepad right down the list, we got Sarah's meal plan calendar that she made. Beautiful. If you guys haven't bought one of those, go get you one of those. It's awesome. Use it all the time, you know. And we have another binder with all the recipes that we need. And I'm on Pinterest looking up some recipes.
Like really remarkable theft. And then she went on a radical elimination diet all the way down to nothing but chicken and
Say hi. Well, hello there, guys. It's actually Sunday. I did not film yesterday. Well, actually I filmed all day yesterday, but I was filming for a different video because I redid the entire kitchen and Sam is so excited about it. He's just like singing my praises and he can't believe how amazing I am to do that for our family. It's gonna be an epic video. I totally took everything out of the cabinets, cleaned them inside out. Oh my gosh, I spent weeks sketching, researching, purchasing, and I'm loving it. Here's just like a little sneak peek.
Mom, have
beautiful.
You seen my Ariel necklace?
Yes, I put it back in the necklace case in the cabinet. Over here, honey.
Can I make lots of
Another little sneak peek. I am just, oh my gosh, you guys, loving it. I feel incredibly exhausted. It's very draining. I spent like, I don't know, 10 hours on it yesterday. I don't even know. But our kitchen's looking so beautiful, and now I have like some candles going. It's just a really special thing. And I just figured we owed it to ourselves to make our kitchen pretty and functional, because I cook every meal except dinners. Sometimes I cook dinners too in this kitchen every single day. We're in here all the time. We owe it to ourselves to, within reason, make it functional and beautiful while working with what we have and a budget, obviously. But stay tuned for that video coming out this next Tuesday. We have to leave for church in about 15 minutes. Sam's getting ready. Girls already ate some cheesy eggs, and I'm just putting some laundry away, or like folding laundry. I already picked out their clothes this morning right away just to get it over with, and cleaned up Celia's room. I don't know, do your kids take like everything into their bed? It's not such a big deal, but she has a loft bed, so it's like there's so much stuff in there I had to like put away. Which I could have her help, but it's just easier sometimes just to do it myself and then have her maintain it. Just got home from church. Celia is meal prepping, which I'll show you guys in a second. Girls and I, Celia ran upstairs for a second, but the girls and I are gonna be coloring. I kind of wrecked the, we had one of those hook-on high chair seats, and I accidentally washed it with the board inside of it that goes in the bottom, and it's like all in pieces now, so we're gonna try out a booster. I'm just terrified she's gonna knock herself over, but so far so good. And I'm just planning.
Got the apron. You know what time it is. It's Meal Prep Sunday, guys. So this week we're going to be doing some ranch pork chops, which is already trimmed and ready to go. What I really recommend, guys, is that you buy the whole pork loin. It's about 10 bucks for like the whole thing that we bought. And instead of buying it pre-trimmed and ready to go, you do it yourself. You'll save some money and you get more out of it. We would have spent probably $10. We've probably only gotten 8. And here it looks like I've got about 13. So yeah, very economical, and you know, more portions for that. And then this is going to become taco meat for the kids. They're going to have taco cups, and this will be used for something else. It's been a hot minute since we smoked anything outside, so we're going to be doing just one single rack of St. Louis pork style ribs. These are on sale at Aldi at $1.99 a pound. I stock up on these when they go on sale because they're normally like $2 to $3 if you go to like Hy-Vee or Cub or one of the major really big grocery stores. So this is gonna get smoked for like 3 hours, and then yeah, we're gonna see how that turns out later. Excited for this. This is gonna be for supper. Pork ribs are all seasoned and ready to go. If you guys have watched a previous vlog, I did a kind of a walkthrough on how to trim, season, and get these on the grill. The usual mustard slather to have the rub adhere better. And I used a blend of paprika, some smoked paprika, and this brew pub chicken. It's got some good flavors. There's like 2 grams of carbs per serving of this, but it's like gonna be so minuscule that it's like gonna be next to nothing. So that's gonna go in the smoker around noon. And the taco meat is done. So guys, we recently had a Fresh Thyme open up that's really close to us, and went to check out the prices, and I saw this. This is such a gem. This is ground chicken. It is $1.99 a pound, and it is says no added hormones, minimally processed, no artificial ingredients, no added enhancers, blah blah blah. So happy about this because this is another awesome choice for like a nice protein choice. Is what I'm trying to say. This is gonna be turned into like burgers, like buffalo burgers. This will be my meal prep for the week. I'm really excited about this. Excuse the screaming if you hear it, but this is a chicken bacon ranch meatloaf. There's bacon bits, there's a ranch packet, there's 2 eggs, some Parmesan cheese as a binder. This is just from the leftover ground chicken that I use. It's gonna go in the oven until it hits 165 degrees internal. It's gonna be delicious. And then Sarah's getting the caught her in her natural state of eating peanut butter. These are just gonna be just chicken burgers that I'm gonna be making too. Here's the pork ribs, and then there's the pork chops. Lots of meat.
Girls are just having a PB&J with some banana. What are you doing, girl? Grunting? You a caveman? I am gonna have a tuna sandwich, and yes, it's not keto. Because basically I don't know what I'm doing with my life anymore when it comes to eating. Being very dramatic. Sam could weigh in on all kinds of stuff. I don't know, it's so hard. It is so hard to stick to on the weekends when you go places. So I'm reimagining what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna start counting calories or what. But I haven't been nursing now for almost 2 weeks, so I'm just waiting to see. Hormones are all over the place right now, but that's what I'm blaming moodiness on anyway. Post-lunch dance party. Oh, checking the time stills.
Here is the finished bacon ranch buffalo chicken meatloaf. I don't know, it looks really good. Excited to try it later though. My chicken burgers are rolling in the oven right now. Gonna let them go for another 10 minutes and check the temperature. Alright, ribs are on, and we're gonna try to leave it alone for about an hour, and then we're gonna probably mop it with some kind of sauce that I gotta whip up. Chicken burgers are all done. Gotta let this cool down, and then we will probably just put it in a container for a time being.
Girls are down, Sam's heading outside to work out, and I just cleaned up the kitchen because I'm going to be filming the actual like voiceover part of my video. I'm normally, like, I love candles, but ever since having kids I rarely light them. But now that I have like designated areas for them that are like up and away from the kids, I'm going to try to light these like every day at night or in the morning when I'm doing my miracle morning and stuff. I just think it's such a pretty thing to have going. Let me know with little kids if you guys like candles a lot. Okay, video is filmed. It's 28 minutes and I'm gonna have to, I mean, that's with a lot of breaks and stuff, so hopefully I can get it down to like 15. We'll see. So I'm just gonna work on editing a different video right now. I'm trying to get Celia to actually sleep because she stayed at my mom's house yesterday, and so they did not get good naps, and she went to bed pretty late last night, so I'm hoping she'll take a nap. But it's already 2 o'clock, so we'll see. Sam's out working out. He'll finish that, and he's out smoking some meat also, which I'm really excited to eat for supper.
Ribs are ready to wrap. They've been smoking for about 3 hours now. Beautiful color, and they passed the bend test. Super excited, guys.
Post-nap coloring session.
It's the only way to calm her down.
Yeah. We really like these.
Embossing thing.
Yeah. You pick out which pieces you want and you stick them in here. And then you put the paper over it, and then you use the crayon and you go over it like a leaf rubbing. and the dress shows up, and then you can decorate them. Hi, what are you eating? Say fish. I've been trying to learn a new skill of better transitions and text things, but it's been very frustrating. I'll have to work on it after the girls go to bed. Won't I? Brian, you wanted to wear my socks. Are you wearing Mama's socks? Can I see? Can I see your socks? Where are your socks? Where's your nose? Where are your eyes? Come here. Where are your eyes? Where are your ears? Nope, we're done. Sills, who do you have?
My Barbie.
And what's she gonna do?
And she's gonna eat with us.
Her new favorite thing is having her life-size Barbie eat dinner with us. And you pick your battles, people. The really creepy thing is when you forget to put her away and you come down in the morning and that's what you see. Girls are having some butter noodles, some chicken. We usually just do like an easy supper for them on Sundays. And strawberries. And we're having ribs. And I guess, what are these?
Italian sausage.
Italian
Smoked
sausage.
a little applewood.
Ooh, yum. Excited. Bugaboo gave the stamp of approval for the ribs. You say yum yum? Is that yummy?
Pork chops are done too. They got a little bit of smoke at the end. Ribs got done faster than I thought, which is great. So they got a little action on the grill too. This is great, guys. We have all this, and then in here we have, we have leftover ribs and sausage. I got my chicken burgers here. I got my buffalo chicken meatloaf. Look at the taco meat for the kids. This is, oh my goodness gracious, this is a dream.
We are going to surprise the girls with something. Are we gonna go eat sushi?
No!
Brussels sprouts? Liver and onions?
No.
Are we gonna go get our teeth pulled?
No!
Are we gonna go have fish clean our toes?
No.
No? Go get our eyes checked?
I have something that
What?
clean the fishes clean our feet and they can squirt it on our feet.
Ooh, that'd be silly. Is that what we're doing?
No.
No, we'll see. Where are we?
Dairy Queen.
Whoa.
Dairy Queen.
Is it cool? Say cheese.
Bye bye.
Mamas. Oh my goodness. Yummy. Oh, guys. My head looks giant.
Oh, my head is giant,
Yep.
so there you go.
We are gonna call it a night. Sam's cooked a ton today. I've watched the kids a lot, and
Well, we got a lot done.
yeah,
though.
we did. He has to work early tomorrow, so he's gonna head to bed soon. I just got silly laid down. And I'm gonna work on editing, so we're gonna end the vlog. Let us know what you guys did
This weekend.
and for Easter, since this will be posted on Easter. So
Yep.
thank you guys for watching.
Take care, guys.
Bye, guys.